Some very big things have happened, but the biggest seems to be that the GDP just announces all the way down to 1.6%, and it's heading south. It's going to get worse.
The gross domestic product grew at 1.6% rate in the first quarter, much less than expected. Economists had been projecting a GDP growth increase by 2.5%. In wake of the news, free market advisors to Donald Trump are bracing for a renewed effort by protectionist allies of the former president to devalue the dollar. It's a measure critics say would increase prices and harm living standards. Former U.S. trade advisor Robert Lighthizer has spoken on devaluing the dollar through administrative action.
The reality is there is no free trade. Everyone is manipulating the market. Everyone is trying to get richer for themselves.
He said it would slash the U.S. trade deficit and restore manufacturing jobs, which are both goals for Trump in a second term. Lighthizer has extensive experience in trade policy and on China. He and other advisors are examining ways the U.S. could tamp down the value of the dollar in an effort to boost U.S. exports. However, he has said not all countries play fair when it comes to outsourcing and implementing trade deals.
We were selling our country for current consumption, and it is just fundamentally wrong.
Stephen Moore, a Heritage Foundation economist and informal advisor to Trump, told the Washington Examiner he does not think devaluing the dollar would be a good move. He said a stable dollar is what's important for the country's prosperity.
Gas prices in California were just also announced at $7.60. Gasoline is going way up. Energy costs are going way up. And the stock market is, in a sense, crashing. The numbers are very bad. This is Bidenomics.
Trump has been critical to how the market has reacted to President Biden's policies. During his term as president, Trump was vocal in how he devised trade with other countries, specifically imposing limits on both Japan and China.